Welcome to day 16 of a movement a day Qigong. And today we're going to do a full body activation. We'll make our legs a little bit wider. We're just going to start with hanging over, just releasing yourself down. I like to keep my legs slightly bent. And relaxing the head, relaxing the neck, relaxing the shoulders, just hanging down, relaxing the lower back, feeling the stretch in the back of the legs. Slow, deep breathing. Take a few nice clearing breaths down in this position, feeling the weight of the body. And then grasp one hand with the other and slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Roll up the body, hands keep going up. Glide the hips forward and exhale, come back down. Take another breath, inhale, coming back up. Gliding the hips forward and back down. This is full body flow. As you go up and back, you're stretching all the major muscles in the front of the body. And as you go back and down, you're stretching the back of the body. Very nice stretch for the body. One of my favorites because it gets everything activated. We've talked about it before that when stuff is tight, it's holding energy, stagnant energy. And so here we are, we're just nourishing the whole body. It's filling up with fresh new qi, purging out old stuff, bringing in new. The whole body's becoming activated. All the major muscles are stretching. Really good for joint mobility. And just something like this, really simple, just one move, will help you restore energy. You will feel fresh after you've done this. So, if you're at your desk or whatever you've been doing, a little something like this will make you feel enlivened again. You're bringing in that life force energy, that wonderful qi that's everywhere around us. Notice how your body's feeling. The time to really bring your awareness internal. See how you're flowing. Any tight spots? Anything that needs a little bit more attention? Do one more up. And then we'll just hang over again. Relaxing the head, neck, and shoulders. Relaxing the lower back. Just feeling that stretch. Slow, deep breathing. Then come up, roll up one more time, all the way up. Arms out to the sides. A tree here. Ah, nice tree. And then relax down. Rejoice in doing something fabulous for your body and keep coming back. We'll do it again tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow.